Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 puzzles. And the first puzzle I have done is the Sudoku with 3 stars. I will do the binary and the last one tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, only 3. Half of them I will solve. 3 out of 6. And this one will be number 3565. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Now we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let me see which this column I cannot compare. Double O, do we have this column? We need to compare the rows, I believe. Double one, do we have a double one here? No. 1001. Yeah, this row and the last row. 110000 111100 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, with 1 time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? Do not know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.